So let's create this Azure Key Vault first. Open Azure in another tab. Now go to search and type here key and click on Key Vaults. Click on create. Select the resource group, and for the key vault name it will be Azure UAE North key, and the region will be UAE North. Pricing tier will be standard, and days to retain deleted vaults will be 7. Minimum is 7 to 90. For example, if I say 6, then you can see it says the value must be between 7 and 90, so it will be 7. Disable purge protection, yes, it will be disable purge protection. Next. Now the permission models are role-based access control or vault access policy. Vault access policy is like giving keys to individual people one by one, while role-based access control RBAC is like giving people roles like manager or employee, and the role decides what they can do. Okay, so for now we will go with vault access policy. Now here you will select the user and what permissions you will give it. Okay, now you can see these are the permissions already given, and next, and you can save it from here. Okay, so next, and public access will be enabled and allow access from all networks. Private endpoint, we don't really need a private endpoint. Next, and click on create. Once the deployment is complete, click on go to resource. Now in here you have to come under the objects secrets. Click on secrets and click on generate or import. Give the secret a name. I will give it secret KB. And for the secret value, now this value will be a access key from storage account. So let's go to the storage account, and under the security plus networking, click on access keys. Now show this key and click on copy and paste it in here. Now all these things are optional, so it's up to you if you want to give, if you want to set activation date or expiration date, or if you want to add any tags to it. Otherwise it's good to go. Click on create. Now we have secret in place too. Now in the next part we will create our Databricks secret scope.